Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. Today I'm going to give you tips on weight loss. I hope all of us would be interested. Happy listening. Our body weight is generally determined by the amount of energy that we take in as food and the amount of energy we expend in our day-to-day activities. Energy is measured in calories. If your weight remains constant, this is likely a sign that you are taking in the same amount of calories that you burn daily. If you are slowly gaining weight over time, it is likely that your caloric intake is greater than the number of calories you burn through your daily activities. As a rough estimate, an average woman 31 to 50 years of age who leads a sedentary lifestyle needs about 1800 calories per day to maintain a normal weight. A man of the same age requires about 2200 calories. Participating in a moderate level of physical activity requires about 200 additional calories per day. More strenuous exercise programs, such as those with cardio focus, can burn even more. Starvation or extreme diets may result in rapid weight loss, but such quick weight loss can be unsafe and is almost impossible to maintain for most people. When food intake is severely restricted, the body begins to adapt to this state of poor nutrition by reducing its metabolic rate, potentially making it even more difficult to lose weight. This also happens when dieters engage in fasting or skipping meals. It is also possible to experience hunger pangs, bouts of hypoglycemia, headaches, and mood changes from overly stringent dieting. By adopting sensible eating habits and practicing portion control, you can eat nutritious food so that you take in as many calories as you need to maintain your health and well-being at your ideal weight. It's also important to follow healthy eating guidelines in general, even after you have lost the weight. This should include sufficient amounts of protein, vitamins, minerals with limited amounts of fat and sugar. Although medical treatment is available, they should only be used by people who have health risks related to being obese. Doctors usually consider medications to be an appropriate treatment in patients with a BMI greater than 30 or in those with a BMI of greater than 27 who have other medical conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, high blood cholesterol that put them at risk for developing heart disease. Weight loss surgery is also available for people with severe obesity whose attempts to lose weight through other medical treatment methods have failed. Here are some tips to reduce weight naturally. Drink water, especially before meals. It is often claimed that drinking water can help with weight loss, and that is very true. Drinking water can boost metabolism by 24 to 30% over a period of 1 to 1.5 hours, helping you burn off a few more calories. One study showed that drinking half a liter of water about half an hour before meals helped dieters eat fewer calories and lose 44% more weight compared to those who did not drink water. You can eat eggs for breakfast. Eating whole eggs can have all sorts of benefits, including helping you lose weight. Studies show that replacing a grain based breakfast with eggs can help you eat fewer calories for the next 36 hours as well as lose more weight and body fat. You can drink coffee as well, preferably black. Coffee has been unfairly demonized. Quality coffee is loaded with antioxidants and can have numerous health benefits. Studies shows that the caffeine in coffee can boost metabolism by 3 to 11% and increase fat burning by up to 10 to 29%. But just make sure you do not add a bunch of sugar to it. Drink green tea. Like coffee, green tea also has many benefits, one of them being weight loss. Though green tea contains small amounts of caffeine, it is loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which are believed to work synergistically with caffeine to enhance fat burning. You can also try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern in which people cycle between periods of fasting and eating. Additionally, it may reduce the loss of muscle mass typically associated with low calorie diets. However, higher quality studies are needed before any stronger claims can be made to this. Take a glucosamine supplement. A fiber called glucosamine has been linked to weight loss in several studies. This type of fiber absorbs water and sits in your gut for a while, making you feel more full and helping you eat fewer calories. Cut back on added sugar. Added sugar is one of the worst ingredients in the modern diet. Most people consume that way too much. If you want to lose weight, cut back on added sugar. Just make sure to read the labels because even so called health foods can be loaded with sugar. Eat less refined carbs and also go on a low carb diet. Use smaller plates. Using smaller plates has been shown to help some people automatically eat fewer calories. Exercise portion control or even count calories on the food that you eat. Keep healthy food around in case you get hungry. Take probiotic supplements. Taking probiotic supplements containing bacteria of Lactobacillus subfamily have been shown to reduce fat mass. Do aerobic exercise, lift weights. The best way to prevent this is to do some sort of resistance exercise such as lifting weights. Of course, it's important not just to lose fat, you also want to build muscles. Eat more fiber rich food and more vegetables and fruits. Get a good sleep. Sleep is highly underrated but maybe just as important as eating healthy and exercising. Studies show that poor sleep is one of the strongest risk factors for obesity, as it's linked to an 89% increased risk of obesity in children and 55% in adults. Beat your food addiction. Eat more protein diet and supplement with whey proteins. Eat whole single ingredient foods. Don't diet, instead you can eat healthy. That is one of the most important things which we can follow. If you implement a handful of these tips, I am sure you will be well on your way to lose your weight. That's all for today. Hope you like this interesting. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. This is Sujitra.